Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy strawberry. And that's basically the same.
Open. Oh. Oh. Oops. Nahulog na yung isa. Eat. Eat it. Oh, you want it na bahay-bahen? Oh, wah, wah. Yeah. Careful with the stick. Should I remove all the stick? Oh, the stick is gone. Oh, there. No more stick. Bye-bye stick. Okay? I will cut it. Okay? To be small, okay? It's already cut a bit. Just one piece. You want it? Want it like that? Yummy. Yay! And the whole one. You ready to taste the small one?
Mommy.
Nagpapaganda pa, mami. Tingnan mo, nagpapaganda pa. Pagkain. Itong batang ayaw mag-beep pero nagtutuluan ang kain. Oops, nagkakita didi mo. Natutulo. Again, mami ng pang grip. Eat. There, eat. Eat. Eat na, eat. Eat. Strawberry. Wow, isang buong. Ano pa? See it? See it? Okay, good. Yeah. Strawberry. It's called strawberry. 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 That's how mommy pronounces it. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it. Let's just ask Google. Yeah, the last one. No more. Close na natin. Close.